Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Halo Flashpoint mini is the other Spartan Deadeye. This one has the Stalker Rifle. They were black and white zenithally primed, and I start off with black for all of the undersuit and base rim. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Getting in the mid-tone on the undersuit and just leaving that black in the shadows and recesses, I went around with lead grey. This is also used for the more metal parts on the rifle as a base coat. To finish off the undersuit and pushing the mid-tone on the centre of the rifle, I grabbed English Grey. With the undersuit finished, I can now get started on the armour with an all-over base coat of Cold Corpse Blue. This is the only parts of the armour I leave out, though, are the knees and the helmet, as I want these to be white in the end. pushing up the panels on the armour, I went around with Wolf Grey and brought up these panels, leaving the darker tone just in the recesses between them and the shadowed parts. Getting a highlight onto the panels, I used Gravestone Blue. This went over most of the edges and the parts that would be in the light the most. Before moving on to the rest of the armour, I grabbed the Berserker Red and got the rifle casing and the visor base coated. To get the first highlight on the rifle now, I went around with Sanguine Scarlet, hooking up all of the parts facing upwards, along with the centre of the visor. Finishing up the red, I gave the rifle an edge highlight with Hellspawn red. This is also just for the very centre of the visor. Now onto the white parts and the final highlight on the inside of the rifle, but these I used paler grey as the base colour. Pushing in the mid-tone on the white, went for silver grey over all of the panels. Just left that darker tone in the recesses between the panels. To finish the white off, I used a white star over the edges and upper parts where I want the brightest. To get the base started and the leather pouches, I start off with a once over of Scabbard brown. Adding a highlight to the leather parts and bringing up the tops of the texture on the base, I used Manticore Ochre. The Scabbard brown is still wet on the base, so I ended up wet blending it a little bit just for a bit more variation. Finishing off the base and the leather, I gave it a quick wash with Archaic Sepia wash. And that will be it for the Spartan Deadeye. I like the desaturated blue colour, but I think the white came out a little bit cooler than I expected. Next time I do white armour, I'll probably use a warmer mid-tone instead. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And also join the Discord, use the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. If you want to pick up Halo Flashpoint for yourself or just some painting supplies, there's an affiliate link in the description below. To get a closer look at this mini, you can check out my Instagram page. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.